going up. The price of this Air Jordan 4 is going to skyrocket. This Air Jordan 4 was reselling when it released for around $300. They dipped down to around $250, $260. They're back up now to around $300. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, the price of this Air Jordan 4 is going to skyrocket. I think they're gonna go up in price this year. I don't think they'll skyrocket too high this year, but they're definitely going to continue to go up here in 2022. So make sure you buy this Air Jordan 4 now before it's too late. If this is a must cop for your personal sneaker collection, make sure you guys pick this up now before they're too expensive and out of reach. If you're looking to make money, you should have bought in on this Air Jordan 4 already, but if you didn't, it is not too late. You could still make money on this Air Jordan 4 investment. This Air Jordan 4 is going up in price. A lot of recent Air Jordan 4s have skyrocketed to the moon in price. A lot of them are at like $450, $500. But not this Air Jordan 4. This Air Jordan 4 has not skyrocketed yet. They're on the rise, but they have not skyrocketed to $450 yet. Which means it's not too late. You guys can still buy this Air Jordan 4. This Air Jordan 4 is straight fire. Every single day I use my Sole Premise bag because Sole Premise bags hold my sneakers. That's right, inside of my bag here, they hold my sneakers as well as my laptop, clothing, every single thing I need. Sole Premise bags carry each and every single day. When I'm traveling, they also have duffel bags. They also have new luggage bags as well for airplanes. These bags are phenomenal, and each and every Sole Premise bag is made to hold your sneakers. You guys can check out Sole Premise with the link down below in the description. Check that out, and make sure you use my discount code Danny Moore. That code, my name, Danny Moore, is going to give you 40% off your entire order from SolePremise.com. It makes the bags very affordable. They're high quality, great leather, different types of materials, all different colors, different types of bags from backpacks, duffel bags, all different types of bags. And every bag, like I said, holds your sneakers, sneakerheads. They're awesome. Make sure you guys travel the right way with a Sole Premise bag. The link is down below. Check that out. You're going to get 40% off. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get back to it. From $300+ down to around $250, $260, and back up to around $300 right now, we have the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. Free Panda Dunk giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Panda Dunks. Subscribe to Hype Time Kicks. His link is down below in the description. And for a bonus entry, you guys can follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything and tell me, hey Danny, I want to win some free Panda Dunks. I'm going to be choosing the winner for my Instagram DMs, so make sure you guys DM me. Trust me, you want to DM me on Instagram for a free pair of Panda Dunks. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size. I'm going to be FaceTiming the winner and including that in a video, so make sure you guys stay tuned and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I want to be the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube, and I need your help, so make sure you guys subscribe and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel. Thank you so much for smashing that like button. If you guys can get this video up to 600 likes, I'm going to do a Jordan 1 giveaway after the Panda Dunk giveaway. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Trust me, you want to be a part of these sneaker giveaways. They're completely free. And it's my way of giving back to my audience. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I want to show you that. So that's why I do free sneaker giveaways every month here on the channel. Got a bunch of new giveaways coming, a bunch of content coming. I'm going to be selling Jordan 1s for just $1 again very, very soon. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers this year. Let's do it. I love you guys. Let's talk about these Air Jordan 4s that are guaranteed, in my opinion, to skyrocket in price. The price on this Air Jordan 4 is going up. Let's talk about these fire, absolutely fire, straight fire Air Jordan 4s. I haven't worn my personal pair yet. I will be wearing this pair, and when I do, I'm going to be putting drip grip sole protectors on the bottom to keep that bottom fresh, keep the resale value high, and preserve the bottom, keep it really good condition. Drip Grip has the best sole protectors on the market, no slippage, no tearage. As you guys can see, I have them on my off-white Dunks. I love Drip Grip, the best sole protectors in the game. Link down below. Make sure you guys use my discount code Danny10 for 10% off. I believe the Lightning 4s will skyrocket in price to around $400. in every size. Right now, the price is around $300, which we saw on release day. Late shipments, restocks, more releases brought the prices down. More people got pairs. It made the price dip. A few months go by, they're back up now to around $300. And this Jordan 4 is on the rise. The Air Jordan 4 Lightning is going to skyrocket in price. This Air Jordan 4 has nowhere else to go but up. We first saw these back released in 2006. They were very hyped, very limited, very hard to get your hands on for retail, and resale was crazy. Years later, well over a decade later, they retro the Jordan 4 Lightning. The hype was there, the demand was there, these sold out. There was a lot of demand, especially on release day. I think a lot of people anticipated these to skyrocket to $400 to $450 very quickly. I did think they were gonna drop down a little bit. I figured that more people would get more pairs. It is the Lightning 4 at the end of the day. Guys, these were guaranteed to go back up to $300, and they're on the rise right now. Make sure you guys buy the Jordan 4 Lightning now before it's too late. These are only guaranteed to skyrocket, in my opinion. And I think in 2022, they're gonna hit around $350, $375. They could go up even to $400 this year. Right now, they're at around $300. They could potentially hit $400 this year. They're gonna wind up being a very solid, good hold. This is a very coveted Jordan 4. A lot of people wanted these back in the day, and they're happy they retroed them in 2021. This is a Jordan 4 that has yet to really skyrocket in price, and I believe that they will. Make sure you guys go out there and buy the Lightning 4s for personal use, for resale use, before it's too late, because these are going to become a lot more expensive. One of the cheaper Air Jordan 4 investments that has yet to skyrocket in price, take a look at University Blue 4s, White Oreo 4s. A lot of recent Air Jordan 4s are already sky high at $450, $500. These Lightning 4s have yet to do it. Grade school Lightning 4s were a good hold. They never were too crazy high to begin with. They were at $150, $160, and they quickly rose now to around $220. Grade school pairs are going to continue to go up as well. The Lightning Air Jordan 4 is not done going up in price. So make sure you guys buy the Lightning 4s now before it's too late. The Air Jordan 4 Lightning is absolutely fire. Straight fire. If the Lightning 4s are a must-have for you, let me know down below in the comments. Put a bunch of fire emojis. If you think the Lightning 4s are trash and an easy pass, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who likes the Lightning 4s and who does not. Smash that like button. Get this video to 600 likes. After the Panda Dunk giveaway, we're going to do a Jordan 1 giveaway. I can't wait to FaceTime the winner. It's going to be absolutely crazy. Make sure you guys just stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, man. I cannot wait to give away more free sneakers. I want to be the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube. Got Soul sneaker event Saturday, April 16th, Meadowlands Exposition Center here in New Jersey. New York Got Soul. I will be there. Make sure you guys come up to me, say what's up, and make sure you guys go copy your tickets now before it's too late. I cannot wait for Got Soul New York. This is going to be a crazy sneaker event. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.